Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Before I start the video, I do want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to join the Patreon, you can join at patreon.com/, but I'm not a trader. I'm not exactly sure how credible this source is, right? A verified source has informed the global press team that Joe Biden is currently in hospice care and is unlikely to survive the night. I don't know how likely this is. This can be just rumors. I did see him live yesterday, so it's extremely weird that he would be live and then also, immediately in hospice care. Hospice care is kind of nuts. Hospice is essentially, you're done. There's nothing else that anybody can do for you, right? That's basically what hospice care is. So it's like a guaranteed, you're basically going to pass away. I don't think that, this is true. At least I'm not 100% sure. As far as how it would affect the market, I'm kind of neutral. If he passed away, I don't necessarily think that everything would tank ridiculously hard. It would just be a shock, obviously. But yeah, I don't know. I don't feel like the market would really react all that much to President Biden's death, right? That sounds kind of mean saying that or me talking about this, but yeah, I don't think the market would have a negative effect or a positive effect. I mean, you might dump a little bit, but I think it would be the initial shock, and then it would just completely just get bought up all over again. So I don't know if this is true. We'll see what happens in the next couple of days. I think this might just be like one of those, let's just put out news, or let's just put out this just to see what happens. I don't know though. This is more of a shock factor than anything else. I'm not actually sure if this is real. This is because this would be an extremely huge deal if the president of the U.S. actually passes away, right? This isn't just Biden passing away. It's the president of the U.S. passing away in our time. So I don't know, man. We'll see.